Okay, now we have these states set up, and what we want to do is in these states we want them to do something related to the animator, right? So we want the up state to say we'll play the walk up animation. We want down state to say the same thing, do the walk down animation. Left, we want to play the walk left animation. So you get the idea. So we need some actions here to manage the animator. If you've purchased Playmaker, then it comes with all these add-ons that you can add to the system, and it's got a nice Mecanim animator package that you can use. If you're using the student version, however, since custom actions are not allowed, we're going to be using a script sort of component that I've created to help you manage the animator from within Playmaker. So I'm going to tell you how to do both, either using the add-on if you have the commercial version of Playmaker, or using the script if you're using the student version. Okay, so you can go to the class page and you'll find a link to download the script, and I have it here called Animator Helper. You want to just grab it and sort of drop this into your scene, right? So I'm going to put in script. Okay, so it's there. And next you want to drag the Animator Helper onto the pirate character, right? So now we have that there. And what this allows you to do is we can now manage the animator from this script, and let's see how that's done, right? Okay, so now we make sure that we have that animator helper script. I'm also going to rename this state machine so that we know what it's doing. Let's go to the up state and click on the action browser, and what we want to do is we want to send message. Now the send message action allows you to communicate with other scripts on the same object, right? So this allows us to talk to the animator helper. So if we click on the method name, this little arrow next to the method name, what we want to do is we'll find the play method and then click on parameter, choose string, and this is where we're going to enter the animation name, which in this case is walk up. Sorry, we're going to enter the name of the animator state, which is the name of this thing here. Okay, so if I just click play, I just want to show you quickly how this works. Right, so it's playing the default animation, which is this one down here. The default animation is always in orange, and if we click on a different one, we can make a different animation the default. But now we have the walk down animation as a default. Okay, now when I click on up, see that the animation is now playing a different one. Now we're in this walk up animation state because we've told the script we're going to play this particular animation. Okay, so that's a quick way of how you can switch to a different animation in the animator, and I'm just going to quickly go through all four of these so you get an idea of how that works. Right, so I'm just going to copy and paste that, change the names of the state we want to change to the animation state, remember, so that's the states inside the animator, different animations there. Okay, so I've finished that, and here I'm going to turn off draw active state here so we don't see that label on the character. Let's hit play again. Okay, so now we have the animations working properly. Great. Okay, now in the next video I'll show you how to do this or the add-on from Playmaker.